time is running out. Come back to the Lord Jesus. My daughter, stop going out with your friends, wasting your time on absolute nonsense. My son, stop mixing with the wrong crowds, thinking this is manhood. It's not. A true man is the one who put his head under the feet of Jesus Christ. That is a true man.
സമ്പത്തിൽ മയങ്ങാതെ മണ്ണിൻ സൗഭാഗ്യം